Welcome to Focus Garage. Onder is here. We're back in my garage. It's a beautiful day outside. Not really. It's really windy. 50 degrees outside, sunny. So what we're going to do is we're going to work on the R1. We're going to install a smoke visor or screen, windshield, whatever you want to call that. That's what we're going to install. The OEM one was a clear one, first of all, which I didn't mind it. But the problem was there was like a bunch of, it almost looks like the brake reservoir was open and a bunch of brake fluid came out and damaged the screen. So I went ahead and ordered a smoked one. It's the double bubble one, so it gives you a little bit more wind protection. And also you can see through it, so it's not like black. My SV650 supposed to have a screen see-through, but previous owner painted it so you can't really see through. But anyway, I didn't want to do that to this R1 because when you are on the bike, you kind of use the screen if you're going on the highway speed and don't want wind on your face. So I'm going to take you guys over there. I started a little bit and show you guys how easy it is, what you need to do and all that stuff, and show you guys the screens side by side. So first you're going to remove the two nuts on each side. There's like two here that it's holding the screen in, and you will just pull it up once you remove those. Those are 10 millimeters, so you can use any kind of tool you want and just remove it and then pop it out. So going back to the screens, these are the screens. This is the original one, and you can see the pitting right here, and this is where I'm just assuming that's the issue here, and it's like scratched up and stuff. I tried to clean it up and it doesn't come off. And this is the aftermarket one I'm going with. I got it from eBay. Didn't really research much about it. I just wanted something cheap and easy to fix. And I was looking at the tabs and all that stuff. It's pretty good. It's very close to what the OEM one. And also there's a backing plate, plastic plate that goes behind this OEM one, has the Yamaha logo, and it fits perfectly. You can't really see the Yamaha logo. You can see me. But so this fits there too. So let's go ahead and put this on the bike. And so you can tell that we finished the installation. You can see that double bubble action right here. And it's a little wider than the OEM one, so it's like, or higher. So this is kind of hitting there, but it's not a big deal. Fit and finish. I had to sand down the clips. I'll show you guys on this one right here. The left side was okay, but the right side, there were some burrs. It wasn't completely finished up, so it was causing it to not go in. And once I trim it down, well, not trim it, just sanding it down, it was able to slide in. So for that fit and finish, I'll give it 9 out of 10 since you have to sand it down a bit. But other than that, I spent $17 on this and I'm happy. It looks pretty good. It's a little too dark. I'll come over here on this side and show you guys. It's a little too dark, but when it's sunny out, it might be a different story here. So that's all we have to do to the R1 today, and I think we're done. I think I'm done. Maybe. Who knows? Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions about the R1 or any other project, please let us know on the comment or Facebook or Instagram. We're happy to help you guys out with any questions. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Again, thanks for watching. Kudos to all.